Have you ever wondered why some currencies are more readily accepted than others? Today, we delve into the heart of Zimbabwe's financial landscape, where a new currency, the ZiG, is facing acceptance challenges. In a recent interview, Finance Minister Mthuli Nkuba expressed his bewilderment at the reluctance of some local fuel dealers to accept the ZiG yes payment. Despite being in a multi-currency regime, these fuel dealers are still in transition mode, not quite ready to embrace the ZiG. Nkuba, however, remains optimistic. He believes that the transition from the volatile Zimbabwean dollar to the stable ZiG will take time, but with patience, he's confident that people will accept the ZiG without difficulty. The finance minister and the central bank are dedicated to encouraging the acceptance of the ZiG by the local market. They're tracking its progress and are prepared to search low and high for measures to ensure the new currency remains in demand. Despite this, the ZiG continues to face acceptance challenges among Zimbabweans. Introduced early April this year to replace the Zimbabwean dollar, many have seen their savings decimated by recurrently high inflation. Adding to the controversy, some Zimbabwean authorities have faced criticism for alleged hypocrisy. While they publicly encourage acceptance of the ZiG, their private businesses have been caught trading exclusively in US dollars. In essence, the journey of the ZiG's acceptance is a complex one. From the fuel dealers' reluctance to the public skepticism and the authorities' mixed signals, it's a multifaceted issue that the finance minister and the central bank are tackling head-on. As we watch this space, it's a reminder of the intricate dynamics of financial systems and the power of public perception in currency acceptance. It's a testament to the fact that the success of a currency goes beyond its intrinsic value and is deeply rooted in the confidence and trust of its users.